Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna unbox this TP-Link mesh Wi-Fi extender AC1900 dual band. So this supports 5G2, as you can see, speeds given. Okay, so let's proceed guys. But before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. Okay, I took it off. So this is what it is. Wow, just a single piece. Okay, with antenna, and it expands sidewise. Okay, like this. Okay, and yeah, it's gonna go like this. Okay, let me see. Yeah, I have instruction manuals too. That's very important. Okay. So we can configure it online as well as by using the app. Okay, wow, it's in multiple languages. So electric outlet, connect to your computer to extender via wireless. Okay, so basically it will produce a network that we have to connect here. Okay, and then we need to go to this IP and instruction to configure the connection. Okay, fine. Otherwise to do it through the app. All right, so it's pretty simple. And see, I'm gonna configure it in the wireless mode, so I'm not gonna put an Ethernet cable here, but I'm gonna try. And you can see it has got 2.4 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz. So I'm gonna start using that. Okay, so let's proceed guys. I'll try to show you as much as I can. Okay, I'm gonna power on and then I'm gonna show you configuration. I'm gonna do this in the web mode. So guys, next few steps I'm going to show you in the screenshot mode rather than direct recording, because for privacy protection. So after you connect to the Wi-Fi network created by TP-Link device, it's going to ask you to create your login password. Okay, that's the first thing. So you're going to click on login in whatever you create. Now here it will show all the 2.4 gigahertz network that you have. You need to select one of them that you are going to extend. Similarly, if you go down further, it will show you more for 5 gigahertz network, that 5G you can say, that you're going to share, you're going to extend. So you're going to do the password and connect to both of them. Then it will let you confirm here. You're going to click on next. And now here, if you want to make any change to the name, that you can do, and password also. Okay, so password will stay here, name will stay here. You can make a change to the name. Okay, now it will apply the settings, and so when it is done, you're all good. It's going to show you that is created. So this is how simple it is. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.